Hi, everyone. It is so good to see you back on the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. I just read the 2026 Unity Dev Report, and median development time has dropped from 91 hours to just 21 hours. Oh, I'm serious. We are entering the era of Agile Prototyping, and it's all thanks to something called MCP. Model Context Protocol, MCP, is the new global standard for 2026. It's a standardized interface that lets your AI agents call tools and query your local Unity databases without you having to explain every single file. 90% of developers are now using this to connect their engine directly to their AI, cutting prototyping phases to under 3 months. Pakistan's AI reckoning. Closer to home, we just had the Indus AI Week 2026, where the Islamabad AI Declaration was unveiled. Pakistan is committing $1 billion to AI-proof our workforce by 2030. For us in Karachi, this means training isn't just a plus, it's an immediate necessity to stay competitive in the global market. Why does this matter for you? 52% of studios are ditching blockbuster bets for smaller, sustainable projects. With generative AI now powering nearly 20% of all new Steam games, the barrier to entry has vanished. Your job today isn't to be a code monkey, it's to be a technical architect. So, are you ready to bridge the gap between your engine and your agent? Tell me in the comments, have you tried connecting an AI agent directly to your Unity editor yet? I read every single one. Hit subscribe to stay synced with the 2026 reset. I'll see you in the next one.